Hey guys, episode 48 of the crypto portfolio series. Another sort of fairly slow and steady week coming up from the recovery of the crash sort of last month. So up about 7,000 from last week. Nothing sort of, no huge movers. News was a bit slow. They had the big Miami conference. Never put sort of huge amount of stock into these sort of conferences, sort of big get together. A lot of people attended, but nothing sort of really seems to have come out of it. Sort of any notable developments. People like Jack Dorsey were there from Square, sort of saying they're going to be setting up a green mining fund or a mining pool. But yeah, nothing sort of overly important seemed to have come out of it, but good for exposure, I guess. Just looking at the portfolio then. So Bitcoin's up 1%. As you say, it's sort of just in this long sort of consolidation period. Could go on for a few more weeks, maybe a few months. I still think we'll end the year on a high. So stay patient. Ethereum 12% up, doing pretty well. As I say, it dropped more than Bitcoin, so not really surprising to see a bit more of a rise up. Just sort of looking at the month, it's still miles away, obviously. But yeah, Ethereum and Cardano sort of flipping between for second and third place in my portfolio. If Cardano's been second place quite a bit. But it's dropped back down a little, 4.5% up on the week. Not too bad. Litecoin 2%. You know, a lot of these are sort of single digit. So yeah, just fairly steady. 4% down for OMG Network. Not too much of an issue. Stellar XLM down 2%. XRP up 6, not too bad. Some little pumps during the week have faded towards the end of the week. 5% down for EOS. TRON up 7%. Nothing sort of going anywhere in any great hurry really. Basic attention token 6%. I think we need some sort of real sort of good news to start getting it moving anytime sooner than the next few months. Dash 3%. Power Ledger 4% up, not too bad. And then the little sort of speculative punt coins. I had a little bit of money just from salary, so I put £200 into the top 4 here. I left NuCypher out because it's actually had quite a good run during the week. So 31% up for the week. So I was going to put 150 in all 5 of these. But I decided to leave NuCypher as it's sort of risen up and just put 200 into Band, Quonstamp, Cocos and Anchor. So they're all sort of for nearly £500, some of them. Yeah, we'll see where these ones go. Not sure I'll add any more, to be honest. Might just see sort of how they fare, if there's any news. But yeah, just thought I'd stick a little bit in those. So that's the portfolio for the week. Expecting sort of, as I say, a few quiet weeks really to come. But yeah, we'll see. So leave your thoughts in comments below and like and subscribe. See you soon.